Hi guys, if you want to know how to install a Wi-Fi card, you are in the right place. I'm gonna install this TP-Link Wi-Fi card into my PC. I don't want the Wi-Fi card to interrupt and destroy the airflow, so I'm gonna use the small one right here, but you can also choose the bigger one, the longer one. Alright, I already opened this one. You can see we have here the card, two antennas we are going to screw in and attach in the end. And we have here a cable which we must connect to the main board. Alright, first remove the backplate metal shield here, this one to remove. Maybe you need a screwdriver or you must clip it out and just put it away. I will already prepare this cable because we must connect to the USB port, and yes, and the USB port is right here in the bottom. So I'm gonna just pull and push this cable through and behind the graphics card here. And you can see it's coming out here. And I'm gonna connect the USB port in this connector here. It's not possible to make it wrong, but don't use too much force. So if you need force, then maybe you are doing something wrong. So you can see there's one pin which is not possible to connect. And on the mainboard side, it's the same. So just push it the right way. All right, here we have the cable prepared. Then we just take our Wi-Fi card, remove this one, and then we are just pushing it without any force inside the small slot here. All right, perfect. And then all we need to do is connect this cable we also prepared before. If you push the Wi-Fi card inside, just be careful with the cable here, and then it's working. All right, perfect. Then all we need to do is to attach and screw in the screws and the antennas. Thank you for watching and see you next time.